I have a huge confession. I can't stand this picture. Can I tell you why I can't stand this picture? The position of the students in relation to the game that they enjoy has not changed. Like for me, when I think about liberation, I think about the students who are watching the game, or the kids, or whoever's on the outside watching the game, taking part in it. Joy, right? Whatever the game is, whether it be opportunity, whether that game be a job, a business, whatever it is, they get to do that thing. So when I think about liberation, nobody, yes, the fence is gone, but they're no longer there. You see them in the game. And so the point that I want to bring up here is that sometimes we don't move for equity in the ways that we should because our dream isn't big enough. Like our vision for equity isn't large enough. And so, yes, we provide people with the resources that fit their circumstances, but they are active participants and they're no longer on the outside. The problem with equity is we want to remove the barriers, but we don't necessarily want to move people into the places where they're going to be active participants.